Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now let's look into the types of the smooth muscles. So the first one is a single unit or the unitary or the visceral smooth muscles. So this includes a mass of many smooth muscle fibers, and that contract together as a single unit. So it is together contraction happens. Multi-unit is made up of discrete separate smooth muscle fibers and each operating independently. So the multi operates independently, and in single unit the muscle membrane are joined by many gap junctions. So gap junctions are something which are very common, whereas in multi-smooth muscles there is no gap junction between the fibers. The n% nerve endings are present on fewer cells, with the excitation spreading to the other cells by gap junction. So there is n% nerve endings are seen in fewer cells. This is in single unit, and in addition they respond to the hormones and also the circulating substance. So by the hormones also it responds. Now in the multi-smooth muscles, the innervation is by the single nerve endings. So multi-unit smooth muscles. Multi-unit smooth muscles, it is innervated by the single nerve endings, and this is n% nerve endings of the n% ending of the nerve fibers. Next, when you look at the examples, so the examples of the single unit or the unitary visceral smooth muscles, the example is the muscles of the gut. So muscles of the gut is the example. Then is the bile duct. So muscles of the gut, bile duct, then the ureter, and many blood vessels. That's the hollow viscera. Everything is made of the single unit, unitary or the visceral smooth muscles. Now when you look at the multi-unit, the examples include the ciliary muscles of the eye, the iris, so ciliary muscles. So ciliary muscles of the eye, then the iris, as well as the piloerector muscles and the arterioles. The blood vessels, they have both unitary as well as a multi-unit smooth muscles. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.